Welcome to another VivifyScrum quick tips video. This time we're keeping it short because we're talking about keyboard shortcuts. Get it? When you're logged into your VivifyScrum account, get the list of all available keyboard shortcuts by pressing the question mark on your keyboard. Let's see some of these shortcuts in action. If you press A new item will be created in the first column of your board. Now let's press Q, and you'll filter all items assigned to you within this view. It's so cool, it even rhymes. Use the keyboard arrows to navigate through your board, and when you reach an item you'd like to assign to yourself, just press space. We'll let you try out the other shortcuts by yourself. And remember, you don't need to memorize them, just click the question mark key to get the list. Hey, I told you, this one was gonna be super short.